If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Aloha, our keto friends. We are very excited to be here because we're making bacon cannoli. Bacon cannoli, this is a really great dairy-free appetizer. I've actually made a sweet dessert in them, but this bacon cannoli comes in the 30-day ketogenic cleanse, which guess what? You can get this on Amazon for $13. Great deal, but it's such a great recipe. I'm going to give it to you for free. So what you're going to start with is you're going to turn your oven on to 375, okay? You want 375, and to make the bacon cannoli, you're going to, you could have cannoli rounds, but I don't have them here. So what I'm going to do is tinfoil, and you're going to make this actually smaller than you think that you want it to be, okay? So make it a small round, just crunch, 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 all right? And then it will stick to this. So you want to grab some parchment paper. I have a half a sheet, trying to be economical, and just roll that around into a circle. There we go. And I already have 4 hard-boiled eggs, which I'll teach you the filling in a second. And then you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to use tape in the interest of time. Something to keep this held in place just until you get the bacon around it. You don't need to bake it with it on there. It's not a big deal as long as the bacon's not touching the tape, right? But I want this to stay while I wrap the bacon. Now, Micah, do you like regular bacon or do you like this bacon?
That one.
This one. This is called bucket bacon. I said bucket bacon. And it reminds me of the venison bacon that we get. And what you're going to do with this is you're going to roll this around, overlapping each other. And I can get 2 of them on here. So you can either use this bacon, or if you want, what I like about regular bacon, I get the bucket bacon, I get cases of it from Peterson Farms, which you can check out. Otherwise, they have sugar-free bacon, no sugar in their bacon. I'll have the link below for all you. Actually, you know what? If you sign up today with ButcherBox, you get free bacon for life, which is cool. I'll have that link for you too. Wrap it around like that, okay? And you're gonna do 2 of them on each one. And these are so good that I highly suggest making a lot of these little spindles and doing a dozen, 24, things like that. You're going to put them on a baking sheet like this, like that, and they're going to go, sorry Kai, into the oven, and we're going to bake them, gosh, I don't know, I think I did 20 minutes, let's see. Yes, 20 minutes. I remembered well. Okay, so then what we're going to do is we're going to set this aside in the interest of time, and we're going to make the filling. Okay, now I've done ham salad in here. I've done salmon salad in these. I love egg salad. This is kind of like a bacon and eggs thing. So Micah, can you peel the eggs? See how easy these are peeling? Let me tell you the trick. You peel the eggs. I'm going to tell you the trick. Boil the water first. Okay, bring a pot of water to a simmer, a good boil, and then you add your eggs and let them boil for 11 minutes for a perfect hard-boiled egg. If you have really large, I mean, look how easy these are peeling. If you have really large eggs, like jumbo eggs, it might take 12 minutes, but this perfect peeled egg, I just, 11 minutes. The act of putting the egg right into that boiling hot water, that's okay because we're going to make egg salad. The temperature shift like seizes that filling. Can you give me a bowl please? I know we're going to make some egg salad. Makes that shrink. And what we're going to do is we need to make some mayo. You could use something like Primal Kitchen mayo, but you know what? I like to make my own, and I'm going to tell you how to make it easy, and I'm going to show you. So Micah, what I want you to do is open these eggs and put the yolks inside there, okay? And put the whites over in that bowl, okay? You do that, and I'm going to make the mayo. All right.
The whites in this one?
The yolks in this one, yep. So have a room temperature yolk in a canister like this. A mason jar works, but you want it to be room temperature to have the best mayo going on. And then what I like for my vinegar, instead of using lemon juice, I like to use pickle juice. So I'm going to add a little bit of pickle juice into my yolk mixture. All right. And then my favorite oil to use is macadamia nut oil. I like it because it's just more of a mild flavor than an avocado oil. Stay away from all harmful vegetable oils, right? That's what you want to do. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just start like that. Here we go. Let's get this in the screen. And I'm going to add the macadamia nut oil. Can you grab a fork and mash the yolks up? Thank you. Isn't my shirt cute? Roam free, right? I'm going to slowly add the macadamia nut oil. Okay? And it's going to make a perfect mayo. If you don't have a blender like this, a stick blender, I gotta tell you, it's so awesome. And you just slowly add. Did everybody see that? There we go. Yeah, even smaller, but like smash it with the back of the fork. I'll show you. To make the, oh, we don't want that. No, like this. So smash the yolks. You want them really nice and small, okay, before you add anything to it. Otherwise, it'll be all crumbly. So yeah, perfect. And then add the rest of that. This mayo makes the best tartar sauce. If you like fish, I've been eating fish every day. I'm a lean mass hyperlipid responder. I don't know if any of you are. So I have high cholesterol. But this makes a perfect, what am I saying? Tartar sauce. So there we go. We're going to just leave that off to the side here. And we have our mayo for that. And what we're going to do is, Micah did a great job, and we're going to just chop these in here. I don't have a knife handy, but if I did, here we go. Let's grab a cutting board. We're going to chop the egg right on into. You want to do this, Micah? Sure. Okay. We need a bigger thing. So we're going to add the whites right on into the yolk mixture. So chop that up. Oops. Not doing that, John. Don't touch yourself. And then into this mixture, I'm going to add a fourth of a cup, because I only have 4 eggs here. A fourth of a cup of the mayo, all right? And I'm going to add, you use Dijon, but we don't have it, so we have yellow mustard, which I like better anyway. Maybe a teaspoon of that. And we have our Redmond real salt, yum, yum, yum. And that's basically the egg salad. Now, if you want to mix it up a little bit, you could add a little bit of paprika. We have some organic paprika, which I really like in there. And if you want some dill weed, I might garnish the bacon with that. Ooh, you have such nice knife skills. You do. Anybody watching football today? We will be.
Yeah.
We will be. So that's great. Now you're just going to add the diced whites on into here. And you want to add those? I'm going to grab a Ziploc. So what I'm going to do with the egg salad, I'm going to put it into a little Ziploc bag like this, so I can squirt it right on into the cannolis. Now, if you are more of a sweet tooth, I made the best filling for these to make into a real cannoli type of a dessert, which you should try. It's really, really good. That recipe, as well as this one, oh, you didn't chop them all. We need all the whites. I'm just gonna like mash them, okay? I'm gonna mash these with my hands. Both recipes are on mariamindbodyhealth.com. Bunch of free recipes on there. And you can get this recipe there too. All right, so then this will go into the Ziploc, and I can smash it more while it's in the Ziploc. Kai, do you have a joke for us? I have one.
Yeah.
Are Hawaiians allowed to laugh? Or just have aloha? Nobody thinks that's funny.
I think it.
You think so? You think so? Thanks, guys. Aloha. So I'm going to mash this even more in here.
Did you dip it all the way?
No, not yet. And then I'm going to grab that scissors from you, Kai. Do you have that? Oh, Micah has one?
I have scissors.
Here. Thank you. And cut the tip of that. Oops. And then you're going to grab your bacon cannoli, and you're going to fill them. I should probably close this like you said, Kai. Otherwise it's going to squirt out that side. You're gonna fill your bacon cannoli. I go from one end and then the other. And I like it to overflow a little bit because then I can garnish the ends with dill. All right? Now, if you have a holiday party coming up for Christmas or New Year's, or maybe just your family like us, these are a wonderful little appetizer that are just delicious. And you can do these ahead of time. And again, you could do salmon salad, you could do ham salad, whatever you like. It's nice because they're dairy-free.
Yeah.
And they're delicious. And, I don't know, bacon cannoli, my friends.
Bacon.
Yay! Mahalo, everyone.
Mahalo.
Sharing is caring. Share this video with your